Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I will show you how you can delete rows and columns in Google Sheets. Alright, the first thing you should do is open your file in your Google Sheets, and if you want to delete the column, you can simply click on the column that you want to delete. For example, I'm going to delete this time column. So I'm going to click on this B column because the time column is in the B column. Just click on the B column, then tap and hold the column, and you have to click on this three dots button, then tap on delete. Alright, and now the column has been deleted from our table, and we are going to delete this row. Alright, and if we want to delete this row, we can simply click on this row, but make sure that you click on this 7 rows like this, and tap and hold the row, and we can click on this three dots button. Click on this three dots button and choose delete. Okay guys, and now the rows have been removed from our table. Okay guys, that's how we can delete rows or columns in Google Sheets. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video. Bye!